Being proactive. Start your 2025 being proactive. Life doesn't just happen to us. We shape it with our choices. Being proactive means taking responsibility for your responses, no matter the circumstances. It's about controlling the controllables and not letting external factors dictate your emotions or decisions. Imagine this: you're stuck in traffic, running late for an important meeting. It's frustrating, right? Now you have two choices. Which choice helps you move forward? Number one, you're stewing in anger and letting you ruin your day, or you're going to take a deep breath, use the extra time to practice your next presentation in your mind, deciding how to make the most of the situation you are currently in. Proactive and mindful. Being proactive and mindful is about owning your reactions instead of letting circumstances own you. Control your thoughts. Today, pause before reacting and ask yourself, what's one thing I can control in this moment? Be the captain of your thoughts. Being proactive helps you control your powers. Remember, your power lies in your ability to choose. You're looking for progress, not perfection. Let's make today about progress and not excuses. Who's ready to take charge in their new year in 2025? Contact me here at gailkendig.com. Let's take steps into your future now. Reach out today to get started. We'll talk to you soon. Stay beautiful and blessed. Thank you for listening.